My favorite. I'm about to have y'all screaming, and it got pockets. Let's sew. All right, so today I am going to teach you 3 different types of pockets. Here's what I want you to understand, okay? There are so many different types of pockets out there. Some people cut their pockets differently. What I want you to focus on more than anything is the technique. Regardless of the shape of the pocket, you need to know how to put the pocket in. So focus more on the technique than you do the name of it and the shape of it. All right, so now for pocket number 3, and this one may be a little bit more complex for some people, especially beginners. You are familiar with this pocket. It literally will look like this once it's complete. So we have our front piece and our back piece. Your front piece is going to have that exact same curve of this pocket to where it lays flat, just like that. You're going to only pin the top. Don't sew it. Just pin it. The only stitch you're going to make is the curve. All right, so we have that stitch. As for your back piece, as you can notice, it's just a rectangle. It's this exact same shape minus the curve. You're going to lay this on your back piece, not right sides together. Instead, the right side of the pocket is going to be facing up, okay? You typically don't sew like that. You're going to open up your front piece, and you're going to iron that out as best as you can. Get it really, really flat. I already did that. And then you're going to have a really nice curve. If you keep in mind, your pocket is going to lay like this. This is what the finished result will look like. Typically, this will be the same material as this, okay? The same exact fabric. But keeping this in mind, this is how your pocket is going to lay. Take your front piece only, just kind of fold it back. Don't move it out of your way. And then you see your pockets are now right side to right side. You're going to line these up, and only the pocket. You're going to stitch from here all the way down to here, back stitch, and then from here to here. Your side seams are going to remain open, and the top is going to remain open. Your top will connect this with the waistband, and then your side seams, after you get the pocket stitched together, you can go ahead and place stitch down the side. All right, so as demonstrated, I was able to sew my pocket together. As far as the back piece, now all we're going to do is we're going to do right sides together. This is the right side of your front. This is the right side of your back. You're going to stitch the side seam from the top to bottom. This is going to secure the side of the pocket, and the waistband will secure the top of the pocket.